Unveiling the Apple Vision Pro, an exclusive preview. Welcome to a glimpse of technology's future with the Apple Vision Pro. The future is now, and it doesn't get better than this. Think of your world, amplified. The Apple Vision Pro takes visual technology to the next level with upgraded features and a sleek design. Let's talk about power. With its cutting-edge processor, the Vision Pro is the epitome of performance, handling demanding tasks with effortless ease. But it's not just about power, it's also about aesthetics. The Apple Vision Pro's design is a testament to Apple's commitment to elegance and functionality. With Apple Vision Pro, you have an infinite canvas that transforms how you use the apps you love. Arrange apps anywhere and scale them to the perfect size, making the workspace of your dreams a reality, all while staying present in the world around you. Browse the web in Safari, create a to-do list in Notes, chat in Messages, and seamlessly move between them with a glance. Apple Vision Pro can transform any room into your own personal theater. Expand your movies, shows, and games up to the perfect size while feeling like you're part of the action with spatial audio. And with more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, you can enjoy stunning content wherever you are, whether that's a long flight or the couch at home. And if you thought all of this was exciting, just wait until next month. That's when we reveal even more impressive features and details. So, stay tuned for the release. Because with the Apple Vision Pro, we're not just building a device. We're building the future.